how to make charge website on squarespace.com. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step show you how to create a charge website on squarespace.com. So it may sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I will show you how to do it. First of all, you need to create an account or log into your account on squarespace.com. As you can see, I already did it, I'm in my account. So next you just need to click this button Get Started. And now you need to choose what type of website do you want to create. So we need the charge website. So I'm gonna just type charge. Here we can have churches, religion and spirituality, religious travel, weddings, charity and philanthropy. So I'm just gonna choose churches. And next step, what do you want to do with your website? So for the charge website, I think we need to build community, maybe sell products, maybe promote an event or project, maybe offer a contact form. Of course, we need to collect donations, get appointments maybe. So here guys, you can choose whatever you want, whatever you need. I will move forward. How would you like to start building your website? So here guys, you have two options how to build your website. You can build it with AI or you can browse templates. To be honest guys, I'm not a big fan of AI, so I'm gonna pick this one, browse templates. Also guys, I really like to choose from a curated set of professionally designed website templates. All templates are really nice, as you can see, but you just need to choose the best for you. If you don't like any of those, don't worry, you can fully rework it, you can edit it, and you can get the site, the exact site you want. It's really easy to do, I will show you it later. But just for an example, just for template, just choose, let's just choose this one. Here we can have sample color presets, we can change colors here, but later I will show you how to change them more accurate. Let's start with this design. By the way guys, squarespace.com is the best option to create your own website, because you don't need to know any of programming languages, you just need to use the website to create your own website. So now we need to create site name, so basically name it like charge, yes. For example, I don't know, say Saint Maria Church, whatever, name it. I'm gonna name it just a church for an example. Some tips, we don't need them. Now we are able to edit this template, but first of all we need to check pages, we need to manage pages, we need to delete some pages, for example blog page, we can delete it, we can add new page, for example, I don't know, store page, we can add store page easily. Also we can change styles. I said you about colors, so here you can change colors more accurate. You can change any color you want. I think white one is nice one for charge, but maybe gold one, whatever. Also you can change themes, fonts, buttons, forms, whatever you want. I need to reload page. So basically guys, here you have settings of site. You can manage some stuff about your website. You can manage some products, services, invoicing, content, membership, donations, scheduling. Also you can have the data about your website, analytics. You can check the traffic, check the amount of visits, unique visitors, page views, even geography of your visitors. Really important one, and I think every site owner should use this one. It's really interesting and important. Can choose today, yesterday, week to date, last month, whatever. And let's finally edit this template. Click edit, and now you can edit almost everything here. First of all, I need to delete this one, this image, and I need to add new image. For example, charge. This one, for example. You should use your own image of your own charge. You can replace image like this. You can upload image from your computer or even from mobile device. You can move any element, you can change the size of any element. For example, you need to change this text, and I think you need to change this text. Just delete this text and write whatever you want. Write something about your charge. I just, for an example, just gonna type welcome, and I can change the color of text. I don't know, I can do whatever I want. I can do this one, I can change styles of text, I can highlight this text, for example. I need to, yes, like underscore. I can, I can do whatever I want. I can remove sections, for example, this section, upcoming events, I can remove it. I can add new section, click this button. I can, for example, add contact pay section, add a blank section, portfolios sections, testimonials, whatever, events. I can add a block. Block is like a content. I can add a text, button, image, video, audio, form, newsletter, whatever I want. Scheduling, product, social links, easily. Having a farm plot has taught my kids invaluable lessons about food and ecology. We need to delete it and, for example, put something from Bible, some quote, I don't know, whatever. So guys, don't forget to save changes as frequently as possible. Also, you can toggle to mobile view to check this out. Is everything nice, and when you're done editing your website, you need to publish your website, you need to subscribe, you need to select the plans, simple prices, only pay for what you really need. Every plan comes with award-winning 24/7 customer support. Most popular one is business plan, $23 per month. Here you can check advantages of any plans, and when you're subscribed, instead of this button subscribe, you will be able to click publish button, also blue button. So guys, the entire interface of the site, as you can see, is very clear to any user. The site has a lot of functions, so I recommend try to explore it yourself. I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Goodbye.